Tempeliakio Church is situated in the heart of Helsinki, at the end of Fredrikinkatu. Excavated directly into solid rock, it is an architectural gem designed by the two brothers Suomalainen and erected in 1969. The church hall is covered with a dome, lined with 22 kilometers of copper and supported on the rock walls by reinforced concrete beams. The dome has 180 skylights, through which the natural light is let in throughout the year. The interior walls are of rugged rock and rubble, and an Ice Age crevice serves as the altarpiece. Due to its excellent acoustics, the church is a popular venue for concert. The Udi Central Library in Helsinki is a stunning blend of architecture, technology, and community spirit. Opened in 2018, Udi is more than a traditional library. It's a vibrant public space, offering books, creative studios, event venues, and digital tools, all free to use. Its sleek modern design features a wooden facade and sweeping glass walls that invite natural light and city views. Inside, visitors can read, create, collaborate, or simply relax. A symbol of Finnish democracy and innovation, Udi stands as a testament to the power of libraries to enrich lives and connect communities in the heart of the city. Finland national hero Carl Gustaf Emil Mannerheim. In the heart of Helsinki's Lasipalaatsikortteli, Kim Simonson's moss giant emerges, an otherworldly childlike colossus cloaked in vibrant green, sitting serenely on a sun-warmed terrace. Born for Lille 3000 and brought here by Amos Rex, this silent guardian uses Finnish sign language to converse with companions, each moss giant bearing unique tools or animal friends. Towering yet tender, it embodies a utopian vision. Children independent yet united, custodians of nature and imagination. Come October, it will journey onward to Sotalongvik's forest, where moss and lichen will reclaim its form, fusing art and ecosystem in timeless harmony. In the heart of Narinka Square, Helsinki, the Kamppi Chapel of Silence stands as a gentle wooden cocoon. Its curved spruce and alder walls rising to 11.5 meter shield visitors from the urban rush. Inside, natural light filters through a hidden skylight, inviting quiet contemplation and calm amidst the city's bustle. Rising in Helsinki's Kasarmatori Square, Pekka Kauhanen's stainless steel sculpture, He Who Brings the Light, honors the 1939-40 Winter War. Unveiled on the conflict's anniversary, it features a 3M luminous sphere and a 7-mir pierced soldier figure above. Inside, 105 photographs, one for each war day, memorialize more than 25,000 Finnish lives and their shared resilience. Suomenlinna, the sea fortress of Helsinki, rises majestically on a group of islands just off the city's shore. Built in the mid-18th century by the Swedish to defend against Russian expansion, it stands as a symbol of Finland's turbulent history. Its labyrinthine walls, massive bastions, and cobblestone streets are a living monument to past sieges. Visitors wander past cannons, historic buildings, and the serene coastline, exploring a place that has weathered centuries of war and peace. Today, Suomenlinna is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering both a glimpse into Finland's past and a peaceful escape from city life.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you on my next adventures.